In this video tutorial I will show you how to add Google Play Money to Cash App. Later in this video, I'll show you my favorite service to transfer money internationally for very low fees. First of all, I will remind you that there is no direct way to transfer Google Play balance to Cash App, so you cannot send it straight from one platform to the other. Instead, you need to withdraw your money from Google Play to your bank account first, and then transfer it from your bank account into Cash App. First of all, go to Google Play and tap your profile icon on the top right corner of the screen. Then go to Payments and Subscriptions, and on this page you will normally see a withdrawal option. At the moment, I don't have it because I don't have any Google Play balance, but when it is available, you will see the option there. You need to withdraw your money from Google Play and send it to your bank account. Once you have transferred your money from Google Play to your bank account, the next step is to open Cash App, tap the profile icon on the top right and scroll down a little to find the Linked Banks section. From there, you can either link a debit card by entering your card information, or you can link your bank account manually by selecting the No Card option and continuing. If you choose the manual method, you will see a list of banking institutions. Find your bank, for example Bank of America, and select it. Then log in with your credentials so your bank account gets linked to Cash App. Once your bank is connected, you can go back and add money to your Cash App balance directly from your bank account. After everything is linked, simply tap the bank icon at the bottom, choose Add Money, select the amount, and transfer funds instantly from your bank account to your Cash App balance. Now, if you want to try my personal favorite money transfer service, I recommend using MoneyGram. You can send money quickly using your smartphone or visit in-person MoneyGram locations spread out all over the US and Canada. Click the link in the description to download the app and try it out.